Hi, I'm Vivan. Today I'm going to make chocolate melting cookies. It's very yum. It's my favorite cookie.
Ingredients we require 15 grams cocoa powder, 25 grams corn flour, 100 grams all-purpose flour, 60 grams icing sugar, 125 grams butter. Beat butter and sugar using a hand beater or an electric beater on low until smooth, creamy and combined. Here's another easy to bake eggless cookies recipe for baking beginners. Melting cookies. Melting cookies are the classic cookies or the biscuit that use corn flour along with normal flour for a melt in your mouth texture. I added a twist to them by making a chocolate flavor. You can store these cookies for about 4 to 5 days in an airtight container. It's great to pack and send people or to take to someone's house when you are visiting, which is what I did. If you want the more rounded shape for your melting cookies, shape into balls and don't flatten. The cookies flatten as they bake, so the rounder you start off, the more rounded the end result. I wanted flattened ones, so I flattened the dough a bit. Now sift the plain flour, corn flour and cocoa powder together into a bowl. Add the flour mixture to the butter mixture until it's all combined. Mix well until it's all combined. It's really simple with no complicated ingredients or steps, not even an egg. So, all you vegetarians out there, you can go for it too. Probably a good cookies to make for Easter too. Cover the bowl and keep it in the fridge for half an hour. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at the 150 degrees Celsius for the 15 to 20 minutes. And now prepare the baking tray with the cookie tray with the baking sheet. Make the small balls with the dough and press gently. Space them a good 2 inches apart on the tray. The cookies spread while baking. Bake in the preheated oven at the 150 degrees Celsius for 15 to 17 minutes. Let it cool completely before removing from the tray and dusting with some icing sugar. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries, you can comment below. Thank you.